Hey there, savvy savers. If you're a Capital One Savor cardholder and you're wondering how to pay your bill using an account from another bank, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward and can help you manage your finances more flexibly. Let's dive in step by step so you can get this done quickly and avoid any late fees. First things first, you'll need to log into your Capital One account. Head over to the Capital One website or open their mobile app. If you don't have an account set up yet, you'll need to create one using your Savor card details. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Payments or Bills section. It's usually right on the dashboard for easy access. Next, look for an option to add an external bank account. This might be under Payment Methods or Account Settings. Capital One allows you to link accounts from other banks securely, but you'll have to verify it through a small test deposit or by entering your bank's login info via their secure portal. Don't worry, this is standard and keeps everything safe. Now that your external account is linked, it's time to make the payment. Select the amount you want to pay, whether it's the full balance or just the minimum, and choose your external bank account as the source. Double-check the details to ensure accuracy. You don't want any mix-ups. Hit that Submit or Pay Now button, and you'll get a confirmation. Payments typically process within 1 to 2 business days, so plan ahead if your due date is looming. If you run into any issues, Capital One's customer support is just a chat or call away. One quick tip: always keep an eye on your transaction history to confirm the payment went through. And remember, paying from another bank might incur a small fee depending on your bank's policies, so check that out beforehand. There you have it, folks. You've just mastered paying your Capital One Savor bill from another bank. Give it a try, and let me know in the comments if this helped. Stay on top of your finances, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.